Guys, continue to watch this video if you want to see on how I made this delicious stir-fried chicken. I'm telling you, this recipe right here is a must try. Please guys, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, so you can receive more delicious videos like these. Okay, so stay tuned for the whole video. Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some chicken stir fry. So in my bowl right here I've got some chicken breasts that I cut in strips, and these are my garlic that I finely chopped, and this is 3 cloves. These are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. And I also have some cornstarch, and this is 1 spoon. My bell pepper, all the colors, and I'm using half. I also have like a quarter of a ginger and 1 onion that I finely chop. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna use 3 chicken breasts. I already cut this one, but I want to show you guys and how I cut it. Okay, so you just want to cut them in strips, as I said, like so. Yeah, just like so. Or if you want, you can cut them a bit bigger, but this is a perfect size. And my chicken is already washed, guys. I wash it in some lime juice. So there you have it. That's done. So now I'm gonna season my chicken. So guys, I'm gonna firstly add some olive oil, at least 2 tablespoons. Then I'm just gonna blend my seasoning together, but I'm not gonna add all my seasoning at once. I'm gonna leave back some for my sauce. Okay, so I'm just gonna sprinkle it on my chicken like so, and I'm gonna leave back this amount, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna take my spoon, or you can just use your hand. I'll just use my hand, guys. You know me already, I love using my bare hands. Just make sure that everything is all combined. And now guys, I'm gonna add my cornstarch. Because what the cornstarch does, guys, it locks in all the moisture from the chicken. Yeah. And it also thicken up the gravy. And you can just leave it to marinate, guys, for at least 10-15 minutes. Or if you don't have the time, you just cook it as it is. But this right here is done. That's perfect. Look at that. Nicely seasoned. So now I'm gonna make my sauce for my chicken stir fry. So guys, in my bowl right here, I've got at least just over 1 cup of warm water. So now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of my dark soya sauce, and I'm also gonna add 2 spoons of granulated sugar. You can also use some brown sugar, 2 spoonful of ketchup, all my remaining seasoning. Just want to add it all. Some cornstarch, at least 1 spoon, okay? Then you just want to mix it all in so everything will all combine. And I'm also gonna add 2 spoons of my oyster sauce, okay? You can get it, guys, from your local Chinese shop or in your supermarket where the world section is. You want to give it a good stir. And guys, I might add a bit more of my dark soya sauce to it, okay? Yes, at least ½ teaspoon. You can always add. It all depends how dark you want it to be. But this should be perfect for me. Yeah, that's done. So guys, here I have my pot on my stove, and to my pot I add at least 1/4 cup of olive oil. You can always use vegetable oil. So now I'm gonna add my chicken, okay? And I'm just gonna allow them, guys, just to brown up for at least 6 minutes. But you just want to carry on stirring it, okay? So it doesn't stick. Yes. I'm just gonna add it all. Just try to space it out. And you want to turn up your stove, guys, on a medium to high heat, okay? So now, guys, I'm just gonna flip my chicken over. Look at that, nice and brown. They look really good, guys. Already. So you're just gonna allow the other side to brown up. Look at that. It looks amazing. Super, super delicious. So guys, it is all finished. It is nice and brown. It looks super, super delicious. So now I'm just gonna remove it, okay? Look at that. Look at that, guys. This is so perfect. So guys, here I have my wok because I changed my pot because I'm gonna stir fry my vegetable in my wok. So now I add at least 2 tablespoons of my sesame oil. So now guys, I'm gonna add my garlic first, okay? Just gonna leave it for at least 20 seconds. Or even not 20 seconds, guys, at least 10 seconds will do, okay? So now I'm gonna add my onion, my ginger, and all my bell peppers. I'm gonna toss it. All that color, guys, looks so good. I'm just gonna add just a pinch of salt. And you're just gonna allow it, guys, to stir fry for at least 20 minutes because you don't want it to be too soft, okay? Yes. And I'm also gonna add just a bit of my Chinese 5 spice. Oh my god, that smell, guys, the ginger, the garlic, everything just smells so good. So now, guys, I'm gonna remove all my vegetables. And you just want to put them to the side. Make sure, guys, they are not too soft, okay? So now, guys, to the same pot, I'm gonna add my sauce. It doesn't matter if some of the onion leave back, that's perfectly fine. You just want to add it all. And I'm just gonna allow it, guys, to get thick, okay? I'm gonna put my stove on a high heat, but just make sure you watch it, okay? So guys, my sauce is nice and thick, and this is what it looks like. It is so rich, so perfect. This is exactly how I want it. And what I did, guys, behind camera, I just put some of my ginger back into my sauce, okay? Yes. Just add just a bit more of your ginger peel. Or even, you know, 1 teaspoon full of powdered ginger. That's fine. So now, guys, I'm gonna add my chicken to my sauce. I'm just trying to fan away the steam because I want you guys to see how nice and thick my sauce look. Look at that. So rich, so flavorful. So now, guys, I'm gonna add my chicken. Guys, whenever I'm doing stir fry or my food, I like to have a lot of sauce. I don't like my food to be dry, so that's why I make a lot of sauce for it. Look at that. You want to coat all the chicken in it like so. It looks so good. So now I'm gonna add all my bell peppers, my onion, my ginger. Look at that. Do you see all that color? Oh my goodness, it looks so good. And you want to just toss it all in. This looks amazing, guys. You can even try this with steak, with pork, I'm just gonna finish it off with some scallion. And guys, it is all ready. You can serve it over some basmati rice. Honestly, that go perfectly with it. It looks super delicious. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Comment below and tell me what it's like. Look at that. So now I'm just plating it all up, and I'm just adding my stir-fried chicken on top of my rice, because I'm telling you guys, rice go perfectly with this recipe. Yes, honestly, it look amazing. This recipe right here, guys, is a must try. Your family, your friends, everyone is gonna enjoy it. It's better than any takeout. Please guys, don't forget to share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, where wait pan, subscribe right now guys, because I post many delicious videos. I have so many videos on my channel, so you guys can go and check it out. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at the color. I love the color. It looks so good. So this is totally optional, but I'm just sprinkling some sesame seed on top. Honestly guys, if you do try this recipe, please comment below and tell me what it's like. I'm telling you, my husband, my children, we all enjoy this recipe. It is so good. Super delicious, so flavorful. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.